How to upload high quality photos on your Instagram account. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. There is actually two ways that you can do. The first way is you have to go to your profile on Instagram and go to the top corner, click on those three lines like this, and then go to settings, and then go to account option, and then click on this data use option right here, and then make sure to turn off this option like this. It need to be off. And yeah, this is the first way that you can try, and I'm sure this one is gonna work for you 100%. And the second way is you have to go to your browser, your Google Chrome or any other browser, or Safari or any browser, and go to Instagram on it, and then upload your photo right there. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.